welcome to the channel. Welcome if you're new here. I just filmed a Chic Beauty Box unboxing. Can I just tell y'all, it was a great unboxing, and I had a case of the rainbows left, right, and center, and guess what? They're still here. So buckle up, mother truck and buttercup, because your girl is going to chitty chat. We are unboxing our ipsy boxycharm by ipsy. Oh, it's a struggle. And our ipsy Glambag for August. Now this was sent over in PR, so thank you to ipsy first and foremost for keeping your girl on the PR list. Even though I am sassy, I'm keeping it classy, but I do keep it real with y'all, you know. I mean, that's my job. That is what I am here to do for you guys. So anywho, before we jump into today's video, yes, I have no makeup on, and no, my skin does not match my face because I am marinating in a sunless tan. So a lot of y'all ask what tanner I use. I love the Bondi Sands Technicolor. Take the quiz, it makes life so much easier. They match me with emerald, which is like an olive undertone. It's straight perfection. I love it. I've had it on for a couple hours now. I'll leave it on until bedtime. I really will. I love this stuff. Anyways, I do want to give a shout out to OFRA Cosmetics. They sent over their new Miami collection. Stay tuned. There are some things to come. Haley and I got a little trippity trip for you all. So by the time you guys see this video, this collection is already going to launch. But this is their Miami palette. Look at this. You got blushers, highlighters, bronzer, contour. Beautiful. And like I said, this should already be available by the time you guys see the video. Code HOTMESS will save you 20%. They also came out with a new scented Tropical Breeze makeup fixer. And they also came out with this little quad mini lippies. And of course, code HOTMESS is going to save you 20% over there. And if you want to pick this up and you're like, I'd really like to pick up some other stuff, but I'm not for sure what. Oh, I can help you with that. I got a collection with OFRA. If you want to pick up my Inseparable Lip Duo, that is available as well over there. You've got in this lip duo, HOTMESS Mama Liquid Lip. Don't forget, you can use it on your lips. Change the undertone around by using a different color lip liner. So it truly will work for everybody. It's a universal shade that I came up with. And if you drink a lot of coffee like your girl, guess what? It's okay, because this helps to whiten it. Make things look whiter. It's amazing. But use it on your cheeks, use it on your eye. I've got a whole video doing that. And then of course, Butterfly Kisses lip gloss. And then my Unconditional palette, where you have a lot of matte shadows, one topper, and of course you've got some face shades in here. But don't forget, all of this can be used wet or dry and all over your face. So yeah, if you want to pick that up too, thank you. I appreciate it. You know why? Because you guys helped make that launch so successful. I never thought in a million years that would be possible, but I have to thank y'all. Because of y'all, it has been a very successful launch, and I'm still on cloud 9. And it's been, by the time you guys see this video, darn near 2 months since the launch, and I can't thank you guys enough. Like, I don't think I'll ever be able to thank you all enough for everything. Speaking of thank yous, a huge shout out and thank you to my YouTube members for helping to support the channel. Yeah. No, seriously, thank you guys for helping to support the channel. You don't have to, but you choose to. And of course, those of you that click that thanks button and tip the channel, if you will, I see you, I appreciate you, and I can't, seriously, I can't thank you all enough. Like, you guys, listen, my family is out. My husband took the boys out. My girls are busy, and I'm doing laundry and getting ready for Haley and I to go on our trip, and I'm just like, oh my gosh, what to do with myself? Chat with you guys. So anyways, let's go ahead and start off with the ipsy Glambag. Again, thank you to ipsy for sending me the PR for August. I definitely appreciate it. Now the Glambag is $13. There is tax and a shipping, no, a handling, $1.99 handling fee. So in Kentucky, mine comes to like almost $16. It's like $15.90 something. So you do get to customize one item in your bag. Ooh, this is so cute. Okay, I like that. It's like a pink and green situation with a little green tassel. I really love that. Okay, maybe everything that you potentially would see, or at least some of the brands you could be choosing. So the first item in here is by Zakura's the poreless skin cream with salicylic acid. It's going to smooth and balance. So that's always good. Salicylic acid is always, sorry guys, I was swatching, and since I have sunless tanner on, I didn't want to swatch where it would screw up my tan, so that's why it looks like that. But salicylic acid is always like literally my go-to when I have breakouts. It's like a little miracle acid. Also burnt my face with it, so be really careful. So that's a good size. That's the beauty of the Glambag, is you get deluxe size samples, so it's great for travel or what have you. Next in here we are seeing Benefit Cosmetics Fan Fest. Oh, it's a mascara. Is this a new one? A hyper black? You know, one of their mascaras that I really enjoy is what was it, the magnetic ones. I really enjoyed that. So again, this is great to throw in your purse, or if you're like me and you like to play in different mascaras, the mini size is always wonderful to try out. Next in here we've got Minamora body lotion and vanilla frosting. Ooh. Okay, so I'm just gonna take the seal off. I know I'm not gonna be able to rub it all over myself, but oh yeah, that smells good, and this is coming at a perfect time because my lotion, hand lotion that I have in my purse right now is literally about out. This smells really good. It's definitely got like almost like a vanilla musk. Almost like, here guys, smell it. Okay, so next in here, oh, would you look at that? So I really like the packaging. First and foremost, the protection is nice. It did come in a padded envelope. Now granted, it was in a box, but the nice thing about it is the fact that this is what I was talking about. When it comes to the Ipsy Glambag, I feel like it's getting more protection and packaging, dunnage, whatever you want to call it, than what we were seeing in our boxycharm by Ipsy. So this is by FLORENCE, and it's a cute little quad that you could see or potentially see as a choice. So I really like those colors. But I am going to just go ahead and put that into a giveaway. I told you guys that when I unbox these, I'm kind of like just doing giveaways a lot of the times if it's something that I may already have or have enough of. So that is going to be in a giveaway for today. And then next in here we have a Give Them Lala Beauty. This is a brow gel, which I just received one, so I'm going to go ahead and put this in the giveaway as well. Kind of a cosmetics brand that I feel like we're really starting to see a lot more of. These two items so far are going to be in a giveaway. Now, y'all, if you are new to my giveaways, I keep them crazy easy. First and foremost, all I ask is you are subscribed to my channel. If you want to subscribe to my other channels, you can definitely do that, and I would greatly appreciate it. On my TikTok, Instagram, at hotmessmomma4. You do not have to, but if you want to, I'd love to have you there. So what I'm going to do is I will have a form in my description box. All you gotta do is fill that form out. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Fill it out in its entirety. I will never contact you in the comment section ever. I will never comment under your comment and let y'all know that you won at all. You know you won when the winnings show up at your door. That is it. That is all. That's how I do the giveaway. Quick, easy, painless. The reason I say that is the commenter or commenters that is commenting under your comment, you gotta worry about the words that you say on here. They're untrustworthy, fake people that use people's profile pictures. It's not me. That's what I'm trying to say. It's not me. Anyways, let's talk about BoxyCharm by Ipsy. I love the new box. I have no clue what happened. So there is only one seal in here, but this is the new logo box. Now with BoxyCharm by Ipsy, or better known as like Ipsy Glambag Plus, this one you get to make 3 choices out of the 5. Now, they choose for me because this was sent over, like I told y'all, in PR, so I greatly appreciate it. So I get what I get and I don't throw a fit, and if I already done have it, guess what? Y'all benefit from it. All right, you guys know I whine like crazy over this. I always whine about it. I want more packaging. It did come in a box, and the box had this. So we'll see. Alright, first in here is the Dew of the Gods Cucumber and Collagen Vitamin Salt Scrub. Man, I wish I had gotten this I just picked up some of the some body scrub, like the OC. Now I really like the Dew of the Gods. I feel like they're really good about the ingredients and everything that they put in. I've just been trying to be more mindful about the scrubs and the lotions and the body washes I've been using, because one of y'all made a comment about like, hey, you're using Dove, you know, that screws up your endocrine system. And I'm like, my endocrine system is already struggling. I don't need to do anything worse. And then my baby child has eczema really bad. So I've switched all of our laundry detergent. Everything's homemade. Like, we do sensitive washes. So I feel like this is going to be one that is going to be good to use from Dew of the Gods. And I really like the packaging. It's not so bulky. It's not going to be a pain in your shower. In here we have the Berries and Dream palette by Violet Voss. It's an eyeshadow palette. I'm a little nervous. Why am I nervous? Ooh, because typically it comes broken, but I'm happy to tell you all it's not broken. Round of applause for Ipsy. We got really lucky. These colors are very pretty. I really like them. This Berry Champagne. Ooh, that's really pretty. That is so pretty. How many times can you say pretty? I don't know. Anyways, this is what it looks like. So this could be a potential choice for you when it comes time to make your picks, which I think is like August 2nd or 3rd. That is such a really pretty sparkle. It's like it's more or less a topper, but it's pretty because there's like different shimmers in there, greens, pinks. I really like that. Anywho, I'm so excited. This makes my heart so flippin' happy. All right, next in here, a potential item you will see is for choice or they pick is some Murad Environmental Shield Essential C Toner. I love Murad products, y'all. Like, when I was in my 30s and I was really struggling with acne, the Murad Blue line was my go-to line. It like fixed my face. It was amazing. So I will definitely keep you guys posted on this. No like crazy scent or anything. Honestly, for a while there I wasn't using toners, and I happened to go get a facial one time and the girl was like, you really need to know the importance of essence and toners and everything. And once she broke it down, I was like, okay, you win. So yeah, I always use a toner. All right, next in here we've got the Estate Most Wanted Liquid Lip Balm in the shade Priority. So I've gotten a lot of lip oils and balms and everything lately, so I'm not going to open this up. I'm going to just go ahead and put this in the giveaway for you all. I mean, I'm sure it's really pretty, but like I said, I am blessed to receive PR, and I would just rather share it with you all when I can. Next in here, we've got the Anastasia Beverly Hills or Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Blush in the shade Pink Dahlia. Ooh, I really like that. Oh, you guys know my love of cream products. That is really pretty, and it's actually going to match the Violet Voss perfectly. So I do plan on doing more of the, you guys really enjoy the Get Ready With Me, so I will definitely be putting more of those up for y'all. So that is everything in the Ipsy, and can I just say, I'm actually really happy with this box, this curation. I still need a bit more, Ipsy. I mean, you gave me some bubble wrap on the little quad for my Glambag. So I'm gonna kind of need some more when it comes to that. You know what I mean? So we got lucky, nothing was broken. Now I do pay for my own. So we shall see what happens and what choices I make, because I do need to remember to get in there and make my choices. So I will keep you guys posted on that. I will be back. If you guys, like I said, want to enter into the giveaway of the products so far is going to be this Estate Most Wanted Balm, the brow gel, and then this quad, and I'll just throw a couple more products in there for you guys as well. So check my description box down below for you guys for the actual link. I will try and remember to pin it in the comment section for you guys as well. Also, I will link for you guys my collab with OFRA Cosmetics and the new products should be up by then, so I will link these new products for you guys as well. Thank you to OFRA for sending this over my way. But let me know you guys' thoughts. What did you guys think about this? I mean, honestly, I thought it was a good mix of makeup and skincare, so I do appreciate that. You guys know that I start whining when it gets a little too skincare heavy. So this actually, I'm actually pleasantly surprised. You know, I like that. I'm pretty sure the balm matches this. The blush matched as well. So yeah, at the end of the day, I'm gonna say good job, Ipsy. Boxycharm by Ipsy. One of these days I'll get it right. Sorry if you hear my laundry. Hey, mom life, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, I will have a link down below if you do want to go ahead and try out Ipsy Glambag or Boxycharm by Ipsy. I will have a link down there. It is an affiliate link, just letting y'all know. Any link and all links that you see down below, if I can make affiliate links, I'm definitely going to do that. As far as it goes with the OFRA Cosmetics, don't forget code HOTMESS will save you that 20%. I am hopping off. They did send over the icon box. So I'm going to go ahead and give it its own video because you know your girl's in Ramble Fest 99 over here. No, it's nothing, but I talk a lot and I make videos long. So I'd say sorry, but no, I'm not going to do that. Anyways, y'all, once again, thank you to my YouTube members for helping to support the channel. Thank you to those of you that click the tip button or the thanks button to tip the channel. Check me out on my other channels, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs for Curvy Girl Fashion Hauls, Hot Mess in the Kitchen, where, well, just don't go looking for cooking content. I'm just doing everything. I definitely need to probably change it up. My husband and I have been talking about it. Y'all and I have been talking about in the comment section. I just gotta figure it out. And anyways, TikTok, Instagram, at hotmessmomma4. And until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, friends.